In this video, I'm going to show you how to Google a PDF. If you're trying to find a PDF on any topic, whether it's a research paper, guide, or ebook, you can easily search for it on Google with a simple trick. Open Google Chrome on your PC or mobile phone and head to the search bar. Before typing your search topic, you'll want to specify that you're looking for PDFs. To do this, type doctype PDF followed by your search topic. This tells Google to only show results that link to PDF documents. For example, if you're looking for PDFs about cats, type doctype PDF cat in the search bar and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results that mostly consist of downloadable PDFs related to cats. You can open these links by right-clicking and selecting Open Link in New Tab, or just tap on them if you're on your phone. Some websites may require you to sign up to download the PDF, while others will let you download it for free. If you're searching for a more niche topic, the method is same. Just type doctype PDF along with your specific topic. The internet is full of PDFs on virtually any subject, from study materials to user manuals and recipes. This method ensures that you find exactly what you're looking for without wasting time on irrelevant results.